Greetings. I welcome you all to the Standard 7th Mathematics Orientation session. I am Mrs. Harshada Shinde, a maths teacher, and I will be walking you through the Standard 7th Mathematics curriculum for the year 2021-22 and the way the classes will be conducted. Why do we teach mathematics? Mathematics is the essence of life. Right from making the grocery budget every month to complex calculations in rocket science, from the speedometer of our cars to the marks written on the top of our students' answer sheet, mathematics is omnipresent. Even though we might think of maths as only arithmetic, it includes a lot of broad subtopics like algebra, geometry, and even commercial mathematics, all of which find their applications in various occupational fields. Right from Standard 6, we take it upon ourselves to introduce our students to these topics to strengthen their basic concepts. The initial chapters of Standard 7 have been covered in last unit of Standard 6 itself, and the Standard 7 syllabus is scheduled to be completed by the end of Unit 3, which would allow us to start Standard 8 syllabus. The concepts keep getting more and more complex, and remembering all earlier concepts is necessary. Another important aspect other than calculations is comprehension, for which students must have a fairly good hold on the English language. This makes understanding the word problems easier. The walnut advantage. Students can revisit previous videos to clarify their doubts or to revise previously taught concepts. The worksheets provided also have numerous practice questions which can be solved by the students as revision. How are the students taught? The textbook chapters is split into concepts. One important concept is solved every day. One question of each type is done in the classroom with the teacher, and the rest are done by the students on their own. Textbook exercises are solved whenever required. Maths Exemplar, which is a practice book prescribed by NCERT, is also covered after the chapter is taught. Try a test. Chapters are followed by 3 to 4 short tests, each 45 minutes long, and covers all the concepts taught and can be solved at home for extra revision. Remedial teaching. Weekly remedial sessions are conducted for students those lagging in certain concepts. In this, teachers identify weak students on a per concept basis in order to achieve targeted remedial coaching. Maths Lab. In Maths Lab, hands-on maths activities will be conducted to give students a feel of mathematics. All activities are specially designed to enhance students' ability to think, visualize, and reason. Examinations. Each academic year comprises of 2 terms, each of which has 2 units. Descriptive exams are conducted on the exam days, as marked in the calendar, whereas objective tests are conducted in the unit. Base 2 out of the 3 objective tests are counted as formative assessment. Unit test paper will be for 15 marks and will go on for half hour. Term exam will be of 50 marks and will go on for 1 hour 30 minutes. Formative exams will carry a weightage of 10 marks per unit. Overall in unit, the distribution is 15 marks written plus 10 marks oral, which gives us 25 marks. Unit 1 25 marks plus Unit 2 25 marks plus term exam 50 marks, which gives us total 100 marks. Similarly, term 1 100 marks plus term 2 100 marks, which gives us total 200 marks. Portion for the exam. Each unit test will have the portion for that exam only. Term 1 exam will have portion of Unit 1 plus Unit 2, and Term 2 exam will have portion of Unit 3 plus Unit 4 and some lessons of Term 1 also. How to study? Practice is key. Maths calls for sub students to practice daily. A good way to practice every day is to solve MCQs. Expectations. All concepts are interrelated and every concept taught in class is related to a previously taught concept. Hence, when a student misses even one class, he might lose the link and in turn find it difficult to understand other concepts. Another vital factor is clarity. Each step must be written clearly with the reason and calculations. This not only helps the examiner to check the sum without any hassle, but also guides the students to the next logical step. This helps students to reverse engineer question and recheck their answers, which becomes essential in commercial mathematics and geometry in higher classes. Essentials. Students are expected to practice for a minimum of 20 minutes every day. Students are also advised to be attentive in class in order to grasp concepts quickly. Concentration while solving problems helps with efficiency and accuracy. We have now come to the end of the mathematics orientation session. Thank you for being such patient listener. I hope all you have a very good day. Thank you.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.